Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Today we have a new news episode for y'all. We have a lot to talk about. Not a lot of time, but we're gonna work it out. So the first thing today,
I don't think we even introduced ourselves, did we?
No, we did not. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon.
Whenever you're watching this.
I'm Mason.
I'm Mitchell.
And today we have a new news episode for you. So first thing today, we have our mystery kit that we've been talking about the past couple of weeks.
Dark Flight.
Dark Flight.
We still have a few available. Today we're going to cover and go over all the prints inside it. It is starting this Monday. So
that's the 29th.
Yes, the 29th is starting. If you don't have your kit now, do not worry. Our first week is primarily just getting cutting, getting set up. There's going to be very little sewing. So even if you're behind, you'll be able to catch up very quickly. A lot of people have been commenting on the little bag you get. This is a free goodie that comes with the bag.
Very cute.
From there, you have the scheduling of every date that the mystery kit will be updated. It's going to be every Monday. So the first date is the 29th. Then if you need it long armed, this is who we are partnered with to get it long armed. So you can just send it to her. All the information will be on here so you can look through that. All right, let's go through some of these prints. So first we got pumpkins on black.
Bunch of different pumpkins.
Also, this is using the candelabra from Northcott Group. There will be extra yardage on that as well. So if you want some like backing or something, you can still order that for the kit. We still have plenty available. Next is swirls.
Swirls that are like white and black, a little cream and black.
Yeah. We got some cream dots on an orange background.
Yes.
It's like a textured background too. It's like cracked and stuff.
Looks almost like pumpkin seeds.
I would, yeah. Aren't pumpkin seeds a little more like...
The different shape, but the same color.
All right. Then we got, it seems like a regular just tonal orange.
Yep.
Little
discoloration.
Ignore that string. You didn't see that string on there. Just regular orange on here. We got crows on orange. So, or are these ravens? Are they crows or ravens?
Crows.
Crows, are you sure?
Crows.
What's the difference?
I don't know. I think the size. I actually think that's what, I think it's the size. I think ravens are like massive.
I do know one of them, like either crows or ravens. I don't know which ones will talk.
Really?
Yes.
Like a parrot.
In a sense, yes. You can get, I think it's ravens. Don't quote me on that. I might need.
Don't get your bird facts from us, but that might be the case.
That might be.
Ravens are from Baltimore.
Baltimore Ravens.
Are they from? Wait, okay. Is that a football joke?
Yeah.
Okay. I was like, is this for real? Like they're actually from Baltimore? That's crazy.
Next we have checkered diamonds. I think that I like that actually.
I like that.
I would hang that in my room even. I might put that in a quilt. Hold on.
A little moment.
We got some more pumpkins on black. This one seems to be a lot more crammed together than the last one. Last one seemed like more sort of tossed. These seem like packed pumpkins. Next we have cats with yellow eyes.
Yes,
so
black cats.
Black cats on a black print. So it is kind of hard to see, but you can, I don't know if it'll show up on video that well, but in person you can obviously tell that there's cats. You can see the whiskers and then obviously the yellow eyes that are glowing through the entire print. We got another, looks like the rest are just tonal. So we have a, similar to the tonal orange, we have a tonal black. Then we have a tonal cream. This is a little thicker. I'm assuming this is like background or something. I don't know. Probably. I don't know. I like I said, it's even a mystery to me. I wasn't the one that came up with the kit. So I'm just saying this is a thicker piece. So I'm thinking it might be like background.
Yeah, go around each other like really important things. Like
maybe.
The cats. I mean, it's all important. But.
Oh wait, this one's thick as well. Hold on. This
maybe
could
it's
be
both of them.
We have another swirl. This seems like black on like a dark gray swirls. This one's
It's a lot like it's a lot like this one, but all black.
Yeah, essentially.
Yeah.
So that is all the prints in this mystery kit. Like I said, it is still available right now as we speak. So unless you're watching this like a year from now, you'll have to check the date. I'm pretty sure we still have quite a few available, or not quite a few, but we still have a few available. So if you're interested in this kit, we are starting this Monday, August 29th, 2022.
Exactly.
Should say that. So if you're watching this,
continuing every Monday after.
Yes, every Monday after that. First week is mostly just going to be cutting and getting set up. So you can easily still order this kit. Even if we're already started, you can order and probably catch up to us relatively easily. This kit is $61.96, still available right now.
I know it's going really, really fast. There's a ton of them, but it's going very fast.
Yes, we are, I'd probably say, at least 100 a day being shipped right now, I'd say. Yeah, we're going through them. So next we have the I've Got a Crow. We did sell out of this for a little bit. Here's the sample once again. We did sell out of this for a brief moment, but we are adding more. By the time this video is live, I think they will be on the website. If not, you can expect anytime relatively soon. Unless you're watching this like a week or two from now, then they may be actually fully sold out. I do know as we speak right now, they are cutting more of these right now. If you were interested in this little table topper, once again, this is the same group candelabra from Northcott, so it will match the kit, or not match, it'll
correlate?
It'll coordinate. Coordinate. It's the same prints as the kit.
Yeah,
so
the same fabric.
It won't look the exact same, but the prints are obviously the same, so they'll match. You can put them in the same room and you'll be able to tell.
Next thing we're going to talk about is things that were just post-checked, that were on pre-order, that now anybody can buy. They're not only pre-order now.
Meaning if you ordered it before, it's probably already been cut. If you had other pre-orders, we're probably still holding on to it. Otherwise, we probably already shipped it out to you.
Yeah, so we're going to talk to you about one pre-order that's fixing to be worked on, which is Spirited from Northcott. They're fixing to work on that. So if you ordered anything from that, if you have a complete order that is just waiting on Spirited, then you can expect your Spirited somewhat soon. If not, then it'll be held back until you have a complete order that can be shipped out.
And once again, as we've said before, if you would like us to send it right now, you can contact us, email us, text us, anything, call us, and we can accommodate with your needs. There might be an extra shipping charge depending on how much you ordered. I'm not sure exactly how they take that. Just contact us and we can...
They will send you an invoice for what your extra shipping will be if you want your certain fabric sent out currently and not wait for the order to be complete. We do have some collections that already got worked on that now anybody can get for whatever's left. We have about 4 of those in the studio today to show y'all, starting with Riley Blake Daisy Fields.
Little bundle? We have all the pre-cuts.
We have all the pre-cuts here. It's a very beautiful collection.
I like that. Florals and stuff.
Got some daisies on it. I believe that's what those are. I think that's what those are. I think those are. It's Daisy Fields. I'm assuming those are.
Yeah, I would agree.
I've got some bees on it and some foliage, and it's very, very cute. But so we have a fat quarter bundle. We have a roly-poly, jolly jelly roll. And we have a 10-inch square. And we have a 5-inch square.
And then of course yardage. So
yardage.
So that's one of them. I can cover the next. Next we have this group called Random Thoughts from Windham. This also has been, all the pre-orders and everything has been cut. So anything you see on the website is completely available. If you want to, you can order the entire bolt and you'll receive it. So
this collection is very versatile because it has a ton of different colors within the collection. So if you're looking for maybe a certain color for you to complete your project with, maybe look at Random Thoughts Windham.
I like these circles.
Next is from good old Moda. That was just my cup. It's fine. It didn't fall over or nothing. We have Blizzard Blues from Moda, which is giving some winter Christmassy vibes. On this one, I think we got a house in the middle of the forest.
And some trees with the ornaments on it, looks like. Ooh. Are those ornaments? I think those are ornaments.
Those are ornaments on just trees in the forest. That's really cool.
That's cool.
Tons of snow. This one looks like reindeer, maybe some caribou.
I've never heard of caribou in my life, being honest.
You never seen Polar Express?
I have.
The guy goes caribou at the end of the train or the front of the train.
Oh,
that's a caribou. Anyways, I think they're the same thing. It just depends on where you live. I think in Canada they call them caribou, or maybe up north they call them caribou, something like that. Anyways,
we're gonna be criticized a lot, I feel like, in this.
fact check us, please, and tell us in the comments. I'm not sure, but I think that's correct. I don't know. And then this other one is a bunch of snow and more forest. It's looking like there's a bunch of other different ones for this collection. but we just grabbed a few of them. This would be very good for any winter projects you have going on, maybe some Christmas projects that you have coming up with that season approaching us. So maybe look at getting Blizzard Blues from Moda.
And then lastly, we have Autumn Sun from Wilmington. This is it looks like sunflowers and what are these called?
Honeycombs?
Honeycombs, yeah. Honeycombs.
Yes.
This one seemed like a more like summer-esque, maybe springtime group.
I do know that this collection has been going pretty insane on the website, especially when it was still pre-order.
These bolts are on the lower end. I can't say that.
When it was a pre-order, it was going crazy. I do a lot of the pre-order stuff around here, so I know for a fact that when this was on pre-order, it was going crazy. So make sure that you get it, because I'm sure a lot more people are going to want to get it that didn't get a pre-order.
Lastly, we wanted to cover in this video, this is, we are nearing the end. This is the last thing we want to cover, is the our reward system. So I do know we have had a few questions about reward system, some people not knowing how it works and things, in which I can say right now we have just published a rewards guide on our website. I know we didn't have one before. It is on our website. Just go to any page and you scroll all the way down to the bottom. There's a tab called Rewards Program. If you click on that, there is this guide linked in there. Also, I think it will be posted in there as well, where it's just an entire guide of how our reward system works. It'll run you through what the rewards are, how you enter them in, any other questions you may have. So if you had any issues with your rewards, or if you don't have an account with us, you can sign up for one. You can get rewards anytime you order from us. You will be gaining rewards points with us if you have an account. That being said, you can check your rewards. It should be a tab at the bottom right on our website. If you open that, it should show how many points you have. If you have any questions about how our reward system works, how you claim your points, how you spend the points or anything, everything can be found in this guide. So once again, that is on our homepage at the bottom of the screen.
Also, if you are struggling to find said guide, you can email us asking about it, and we can send it to you directly, and you can just see it through that email that we send you. I think we're good.
Yeah.
That's everything.
Follow us on our social medias. We have our TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like.
Don't forget to subscribe.
There's a little bell next to that subscribe button too. That'll notify you when we upload. Be sure to send us any comments that you want. We can answer any questions in any of these videos. So if you have any questions, we might even bring your question up in this video, or not this video.
Also, keep checking out our newsletter, 1 and 2, our website in general, because we have been pumping out collections like crazy as of late. So there might be something that you didn't even know was there literally the next day after you already checked.
That'll do it. See you next time.
See ya.